Welcome back to Mr. Dar Weather Update, and today we're going to have a look at the radar and then have a live precipitation and then the temperatures over long range, and then look at the GFS to see how this cold air is going to move in. Like I said, in a lot of videos there will be a cold air mass coming in from the north, and will be a gateway to cooler, maybe even colder temperatures for the course of tomorrow and into the rest of this week. Now, I'll look at the radar. You can see lots of precipitation going on in the Midlands, Birmingham, bits of Cornwall as well, as you can see, and a few more scattered showers in Scotland. Like I said, they have a rain warning for that one, as I mentioned a few days ago. You can see that heavy rain passing in from Shetland. Otherwise, where I am in Northern England, not too bad, just clear conditions for now. That precipitation will be moving south for now, and it will be dissipating with more showers on the hills of Scotland. Now I'm going to look at the temperatures to see how these are going to decrease tonight. You can see we're already getting a light blue colour going into evening, and that's going to significantly drop into quite low figures, even if we're in the early night. We can even see dark blues. Okay, so it is looking quite a cold night indeed to be coming as that cold air mass moves in. Now, there is an expired weather warning for wind. This actually came on this morning. It is expired. It was for northeastern Scotland, 65 possible. But obviously it's leaving now. There's still a lot of wind and rain there, and here is the grid for that. We still have a extended weather warning, a yellow warning for rain as well. Now have a look at the longer range precipitation. You can see here that is today. Mostly dry for some areas for tonight, so it does look quite a clear night to come. Now looking on to Wednesday, we can already see some hail snow activity as that very cold air moves in. As obviously it's on high ground, the temperatures are colder. Anyway, for Wednesday, scattered showers, but still not too bad. Still could see some sunny intervals for now. And then on to Thursday, even cooler weather might be possible as well, with more hail snow on the hills of Scotland. And that's where it's going to be anyway. Here is the day for Thursday. Just a bit more cloud, just a little bit more cloud in the afternoon, but that will be breaking into the evening of Thursday, giving it quite a clear night for Friday. Now there's another air mass moving into Scotland, giving more cloud and rain, probably bringing more mild weather into that. So then cold temperatures will be a lot more than average. So looking a little bit more unsettled for the weekend for now. Now have a look at the temperatures. We can see how much the temperatures are going to be decreasing throughout the night. We can already see some single digits in Northern England. Again, low single digits in Scotland. And then looking into the day off Wednesday, only getting to 15 into the south with low teens in the north, and just single figures in the hills of Scotland. Now we're going to look at Thursday. You can see how cold the nighttime temperatures are. It's even getting to 6 in some areas in the south, and we're even getting to low single digits into the night of Thursday, where it's going to be at its best, and then 2 degrees in Scotland, so very cold indeed, at least night. So yeah, here's the day of Thursday, even colder, only getting to 10 to mid to high teens, 14, and maybe a 15, but very cool indeed, with single digits in Scotland. Now looking on to Saturday, a bit warmer, as that air mass moves in. We're getting a little bit more 19s and 18s, but just about average for the time of year at least. Mostly mid-teens, maybe high teens in the south. Not as cold night to come, so it does look like it will be turning back towards average, I guess, for next week. Now looking into the GFS, seeing how this cold air is going to move in, we can already see we're on the brink of You can see some tight ice bars near Shetland area and North Scotland. That brings into some strong winds. That's why we got that weather warning in an area of low pressure as well. And here we can see, as going into Wednesday, we can see an area of that cold air moving in on Wednesday, and it is going to be even more cold onto Thursday until a warmer air mass pulls in on Friday, giving just more average conditions. It does say more high pressure in the south, but it will be lower in the north where we're going to get some more rain. And then on to Sunday, same thing really, getting some more warm air to come. And then getting even warmer onto Tuesday. It looks like a very high pressure is possible for Tuesday, so it does look a lot settled, at least for next week. Obviously, we can't rule out the possible shower and rain, but still, it looking a lot more warmer coming on to next week, so a massive difference possible for next week. And here is what it's going to look like. So, if you have a look at the 850A temperatures, you can see how that is moving in. It is getting a little bit more. It was going to get more, but you can see that warm air pulls in and gets in its best on to Tuesday. And that is going to be giving some more cold to come. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.